Shiba Inu, the next wave. We're going to talk about a couple things here with Shib in this video. Make sure you guys stick around to the end because I've got some interesting insight here and details on the next wave. And what exactly am I talking about when we say the next wave? Well, I think it's really important that we zoom out a little bit because there have been so many new projects launching. But let's call it what it is. Now, listen, guys, I talk to a ton of developers, especially developers in the community token space. So many projects right now are trying to get tied in some form or fashion with Shiba Inu. That speaks volumes to what Shiba Inu has built in just a very short time frame. Whether it's projects that are launching on Shibarium or just projects that are simply modeling off of Shiba Inu's success, everybody is chasing after what Shiba Inu has. It's important to also note that right now, during these times, Shiba Inu doesn't feel like a sexy play, right? It doesn't feel like a very, interesting play for the degens out there, right? But understand this as well. When retail demand comes back into crypto and we have a full-on altcoin season, Shiba Inu will be back. It will dominate altcoins because when we look at the top 30, 40, 50 altcoins by market cap, you can't really make an argument for something having more of an upside than Shiba Inu. I'm just talking about the top altcoins by market cap. When you look at Shib, it's hard to say that another crypto in that range has a higher upside once we get to altcoin season. Now, listen, the days of Shiba Inu going up thousands of percentage points overnight are gone. But Shib has turned into a household asset with still a ton of potential. And the next wave of crypto projects, they're modeling Shib's success. They're trying to do it their own way, but they're looking at Shiba Inu as a blueprint. So keep that in perspective. Shib's not going away anytime soon. We've seen it battle and battle and battle and battle. It is now battle tested through this bear market, still remaining a top 15 crypto, number 15 to be exact. Right now, we've given back that zero again. You guys know how I feel about that. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below. Appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.